Welcome to Ausbildung Way. In this video, we will apply for Nursing Professional Ausbildung at Asklepios Clinic in Hamburg, Germany. But before we start the application, it is very important to understand the requirements, deadlines, language needs, and documents required. So let's go step by step. First, let me give you a quick overview of this program. The program is called Nursing Professional Ausbildung. It is offered at Asklepios Clinic St. Georg in Hamburg. There are two start dates available. First is August 1st, 2026. Second is October 1st, 2026. The total duration is 3 years. And the best part? You get paid every month. First year salary is €1,490. Second year €1,552. Third year €1,653. You also receive a free tablet or free books at the beginning of the program. Now let's talk about requirements. Who can apply for this program? First, you need a high school diploma. In Germany, this is called MSA or ESA. If you have an equivalent certificate from your country, that is also accepted. Alternatively, if you have a nursing assistant certificate or elderly care assistant training, you can also apply. Second, you need German language skills. Most hospitals require at least B1 level. But for nursing, B2 is recommended. This is because you will talk with patients every day. Third, you need good communication skills, empathy, and patience. You should be responsible and able to stay calm during emergencies. And here is good news. No prior work experience is required. Just genuine interest in healthcare. Now, when should you submit your application? Now let me show you how to actually submit your application. But before that, one important thing. If you are watching this video on YouTube, you will find the link to this Ausbildung position in the description box below. Just click on that link. It will take you directly to the official Ausbildung page for Nursing Professional at Asklepios. So go ahead and open that link. Okay. Now we are on the Asklepios career portal. This is the official application page for Nursing Professional Ausbildung. Let me show you step by step how to fill this form. First, you will see 3 options to upload your information. CV upload, Finest Jobs, or LinkedIn. Look at the title of address option. Here you can select if you are a doctor, Dr. Med, PD doctor, or professor. If you are not, just leave it blank. Now, if you use the CV upload option at the beginning, the system will automatically fetch your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Just check if all information is correct. Now we come to the document upload section. There are 5 fields here. First field is complete documents or cover letter. If your CV appears here automatically, remove it. Then upload your motivation letter in this field. Second field is CV. Upload your CV here separately. Third field is Certificates 1. Upload your educational certificates and school leaving certificate here. Fourth field is Other Facilities. This is optional. If you have any experience letter, upload it here. If not, leave it empty. Fifth field is Certificates 2. Upload your German language certificate here. Your B1 or B2 certificate from Goethe or TELC. Remember, fields with a red star are mandatory. Fields without a star are optional. But I recommend uploading all documents if you have them. It makes your application stronger. After uploading all documents, scroll down. Click the checkbox to agree to the privacy policy. Then click the Send button. As soon as you click Send, a confirmation page will open. It will say, Application completed. Thank you for your application. The Asklepios team will review your application and inform you about the status. This means your application is successfully submitted. You will also receive a confirmation email. Save that email. Thank you for watching this complete step-by-step